For many first-time visitors, Beijing or Shanghai is the obvious starting point. But today, let's head inland to one of China's most unique megacities,
Chongqing.
In this video, I'll help you figure out the best time to visit Chongqing. First of all, Chongqing's drone light shows have become a regular event, typically held on Saturday evenings and during major holidays, with around 90 show days each year. So it's actually quite easy to plan your itinerary around this Guinness World Records recognized spectacle. Chongqing has a humid subtropical climate with 4 distinct seasons. Winter in Chongqing runs from December through February. Temperatures are relatively mild, usually between 5 and 10 degrees centigrade, but the humidity and lack of central heating indoors can make it feel colder than it actually is. Fog is common, limiting visibility for sightseeing. Chongqing gets very crowded during the Chinese New Year holiday, which is usually in January or February. Outside the New Year holiday, fewer tourists and significantly lower hotel prices, making it a good time for budget travel. And of course, there's no better season to enjoy Chongqing's famous hot pot. Spring, from March to May, brings warmer temperatures and blooming greenery, making it a pleasant time to explore the city. Light drizzle and overcast skies are common, so it's a good idea to pack an umbrella and plan for flexible itineraries. Remember, avoid Qingming Festival and May Day holiday. Summer lasts from June to September, and this is when Chongqing truly earns its nickname as one of China's 3 furnaces. July and August see average daytime temperatures around 33 degrees centigrade, and frequent heat waves pushing temperatures above 38 degrees centigrade. High humidity makes it feel even hotter. These months also coincide with China's school summer holidays, so expect large crowds at popular attractions. Autumn, from September to November, is widely considered the best time to visit Chongqing. Temperatures are cooler, humidity drops, and you'll have clearer skies. Perfect for enjoying panoramic views of the city's dramatic skyline and river landscapes. Just like in other parts of China, be sure to avoid the National Day holiday starting on October 1st, which lasts for 7 days. During this period, millions of domestic tourists travel across the country, leading to crowded attractions and limited availability. To be safe, try to avoid traveling from late September to early October. Here is the monthly guide to visit Chongqing. Make a screenshot if you need it. Chongqing, a magical mountain city, also offers futuristic cityscapes you won't find anywhere else.